Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to make browsing and searching faster in Google Chrome on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Chrome browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select Settings. In the Settings window, select Performance in the left sidebar. On the right, you will see this one a speed section. Here you need to enable this one toggle switch in case it is turned off. Preload pages, turn on this one toggle switch, and in case it is already enabled, you will see by default a standard preloading is selected on your Chrome browser. You need to select this one option, extended preloading, to make browsing and searching faster in Google Chrome browser.